Swift Haulage Berhad is a fully integrated logistics service provider and biggest land transporter in Malaysia, with presence in Thailand and Singapore. We offer one-stop logistics solutions to meet local, regional and global requirements, including services like container haulage, land transport, warehousing, depot service and freight forwarding and much more. Sustainability is an integral part of Swift's journey. We are committed to reducing carbon emissions while delivering efficient logistics services. We achieve this by integrating electric prime movers into our fleet. To help us reduce Scope 2 emissions from electricity usage, we have decided to install solar panels. For our latest solar panel installations, we selected i2 Energy because they offer excellent value for money and were incredibly responsive to every custom requirement. The benefits of working with i2 Energy were evident right away. They ensured the project was completed on time and the results spoke for themselves. After the installations, we saw a significant reduction in our electricity bill, further affirming that investing in solar panels was the right decision for Swift. Swift is looking ahead with a clear focus on sustainability. We are expanding our electric vehicle fleet and increasing our solar power capacity. As part of our ongoing efforts, we are committed to gradually reducing reliance on fossil fuel trucks and embracing cleaner alternatives over time. These goals underline our dedication to building a greener, more sustainable future. At Swift, sustainability isn't just a value, it's driving force behind our progress.